If you need to block someone on Instacart, follow these simple steps to ensure your shopping experience is safe and comfortable. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Open the Instacart app. Launch the Instacart app on your mobile device or visit the Instacart website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your account settings. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon or selecting the menu option. Look for the settings or privacy section where you can manage your account preferences. Step 3. Find the blocked users section. Within the account settings, locate the section that allows you to manage blocked users. This may be labeled as blocked users or something similar. Step 4. Add the user to block. In the blocked users section, you should see an option to add a user. Enter the username or email address of the person you wish to block. Confirm the action to ensure they are blocked from contacting you. Step 5. Save changes. After adding the user to your block list, make sure to save any changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the user has been successfully blocked. By following these steps, you can effectively block someone on Instacart and enhance your shopping experience. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Instacart support for assistance.